Well, I'll try to keep you updated on some stuff for the boring mill. This is one of the housings that are off of it, and I could find a seal that would fit the shaft. This is actually the seal for the pulley that goes into runs the power into the machine. Well, I could find the shaft size, but not the housing size, so I have to bore this out a little bit. So I'll show you a little boring here. And I don't have to take a lot out. About 50, 60 thousandths altogether. I've already made one little pass. So we'll see how it goes. I use my travel dial down there so I know how deep I'm going. There. Now I'll have to measure it and probably make about one last cut, and then that'll be done. Yeah, I had to make one more little pass. So this seal is, there you go, yeah, 60 by 90 by 10. So it's rubber coated on the outside. So we're a couple, oh, my millimeters. But we're just a little bit slightly bigger than 90, barely. So we'll put that seal in there. I lost it. Put that seal in there, and that piece is ready to go back on the boring mill when I get there. Well, I'm finally getting some work done on the boring mill. It's been a long fall harvest season. Anyway, this is what the spindle spins on. There's a bearing that goes up here. I finally got all the bearings. Had to get one from Greece. And then another set of bearings goes in here. We got the new brasses made and installed. And I finished them out with a hone, so they just slip on to the spindle. What we're working on right now is up here. If you see this indentation there, okay, what goes in there is this piece. This bolts into there like so, and then this little protrusion or whatever you want to call it there, that goes into a couple keyways on the actual spindle, and it kind of keeps the crap out of there. So that's what we're doing. I've done some cuts, as you can see there. So I got it down to the bottom as close as I want to go, and from there I decided I'm just going to hand file it in, and we're really close on the inside here. And I think again, once if I need any more, I'm just going to hand file that in also. So what we got to do now is go from here up to there, and I'll try to get as close up there as I feel comfortable with. So, you know, I tried to get these lined up as best as I could, and all I really used was a pointer on a scribe to line those up. So yeah, I'll see if I can get a little video with some action in it. So we got this set up and I've made a couple test cuts, so let's show you some action here. We're taking about 200 thousandths. I've got it cleaned up down to this area. Now we got to remove it from here up to there. Check and make my final cut, and that part will be finished.